Hey everyone.
Hey.
So we're tackling this. I can't even see you around this today.
No, yeah, it is very much time for a reset.
Yes, we're ready for fall. We're ready for winter plants.
Yep.
So today we're going to show you a fall container that will go all the way through winter. I think our previous containers, we've kind of done that as well, but this is specifically designed to get you through winter pretty much regardless of your climate. Like these are going to be really hardy plants that are going to make it really well in this container. So first thing we're going to do though, we do still have some hummingbirds migrating through. Ours are gone, but we do have some that are migrating through. So we're going to save this Kufia.
This over here.
This is the vermilion air. We've got 2 plants in here. I'm going to pop these out first and put them in their own container and leave them sitting here for the birds to nibble on, because they're going to need that. The rest of it can go. They're not going to feed on any of that.
No.
Probably going to pull this out, and it's probably going to be the whole thing.
Well, we did have a sweet potato vine in here.
We all know that, but if you saw it. We did take it out.
We did take it out, so it's probably
still root bound.
There's probably roots in there from it, and it's
even from the coleus. This coleus, like look at this.
The coleus is huge.
It's all the way over here.
See it. It's kind of broken under its own weight.
It's broken, but it's still alive.
Yeah, it's still growing.
And growing.
You
now
can see
it's
it kind of on this right here.
It's growing cascaded, which
all
is
this.
Actually kind of cool.
Yeah.
So anyway, we're going to get to this. We're going to take these plants out, fill it up with soil, and then we'll show you the plants that we're going to put in.
Yep. We successfully separated
one
of them.
We got one more. All right, now that that's out, I think we can probably just take the whole thing.
Yeah, I think the whole thing will just come out.
Yep.
Yeah, I got it.
All right, mission accomplished. Got the soil in. We just used our leftover bags of whatever.
Yeah.
Now let's show you some of the plants. Actually, let me put them up here and then I'll go through them. All right, here we go. So some of these you may not have thought would go in a container, but we're doing it. So this is our lemon thread false cypress. This is something that we've already used in a container and we just loved it so much. Yep. It's a great spilling plant. So if you put it over on its side, tip its root ball, it just looks great over the side, and it has a great color to it as well.
Yeah, we did those in our big containers next to our beds, if you haven't seen that video.
Yeah, fall containers.
Fall containers, yeah.
These are hardy down to zone 3. So these will be completely fine in this container over winter since we are at zone 7. They get 3 to 5 feet high. So a large plant, 2 to 4 feet wide in the landscape, which of course it's not going to do that here. It's not going to put on any growth over the winter, but we'll pop this out afterward and then we'll have a nice little landscape plant.
Yeah.
Also another one you probably wouldn't think to put in a container, but why not? This is the Sting arborvitae. These are very, very, very slender arborvitaes. So if you need an arborvitae for a small space, this is it. Yeah. They have a very neat habit to them as well, kind of a fan-like foliage texture. These are full sun to part sun. They are going to be hardy down to zone 3. Again, very hardy plant. They are going to be 15 to 20 feet tall, but only 1 to 1.5 feet wide. So very slender. We've got the perfect place for this once we get done with it in this container. So we're going to use that there. We have our favorite
Purple lamium.
Lamium. This is the orchid frost, same that we used in our last container video, actually. These are also going to be, there's no hardiness zone, but these are very hardy. We know that 100%, and this will put on a lot of growth. This is one that's really unusual
The ajuga.
for a container, but thought, why not? Let's try it.
Ajuga.
Very hardy plant.
Yeah.
This is the burgundy glow, I think.
Yeah, burgundy glow. Burgundy glow ajuga. 6 feet tall, 12 foot wide. So yeah, what is the zones? 3 to 9. Very hardy.
Again, very hardy.
Yeah.
You want to go about 2 zones at least lower than your zone if you're going to put something in a container, and we're going well below that. There's a granddaddy longlegs on that. They are everywhere this year.
Where is it at?
It's right there on the
it's
side.
a baby one.
Yeah, I don't know why they're everywhere.
Literally. That and the praying mantises.
I love the praying mantis though.
Like we have all of them everywhere, but that's really pretty. We have this everywhere. If you've seen a lot of our videos, we have this all over the place.
We do love that.
Yeah, this will definitely make its way to probably the pond garden after it's done here.
It already has a location ready to go.
It does. And then last,
my favorite,
we have the Heuchera. This is Mahogany Monster.
My favorite.
It is so pretty and red.
I'm really excited about this one.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
I fretted over getting this one for a long time.
He did.
And I finally just said, okay, I want them. So I got a few that we're going to use in different containers. So you'll see another one or two pop up a little, actually quite a bit later. We're going to do a container in the winter for total winter interest.
Yeah.
Lots of evergreens and things like that.
Yeah.
So looking forward to that one.
This one, if you're familiar with Heuchera. I don't know why I can't remember the name of these things, even when we have so many of them. 4 to 9, so another hardy little thing.
So we do have plenty of places for our hummingbirds to eat. They're only passing through, so they won't be here for very long, but we do want to make sure that they have a food source. That's why we're saving that, but they'll love these. Like, they'll eat on these all day long. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and get this planted. I may have another plant to add to that. There is a bird doing a weird thing in a tree.
In our mimosa tree.
I think he's trying to eat the seeds.
pods. Yeah, it's trying to get into the pods.
More food sources.
Okay.
More food sources. I love that. We're going to be putting out our bird feeders here soon too. Also, if you would like a bird feeder, we have a discount going on.
Yeah, we still have our King's Yard, through King's Yard, our 20% off. On, what is it, Michael? The code is Michael 20.
Michaele 20, all capitals. Michael will plop that on the screen right here.
So if you're interested.
I will link that in the description down below as well, so that you can take advantage of that. It is 20% off in their Amazon store.
Yep.
And if there is a Amazon deal, which
there could possibly be,
that is tacked onto the deal. So you get the deal plus 20%. Which is pretty good, and they're great feeders.
Oh yeah, and it's not limited to just bird feeders. You can.
There are hooks and lights and all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, just check them out if you want to.
Yeah.
But I'll pop it up here so you guys can see and take advantage.
We're going to get this planted. Truth be told, I could really sink this in the pot and just leave it. And in fact, I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm just going to leave this one in the pot. Look at that, my goodness. So when you have, this is root bound 100%. If you don't know what root bound looks like, this is it. So we're gonna break that up. You could take some clippers and score that down the side. I don't have any with me, so I'm just gonna break that up a little bit. Not entirely too concerned about it because this is not gonna put on a ton of growth while it's in this container.
Change of plans, we've decided to take that out of the container and we're adding...
Because he doesn't like it.
I don't like it. And we're adding a carex. Look how pretty that, what is the name of that?
Feather Falls.
Feather Falls, look how pretty that is. So white, I love it.
Here we have a bit of a bald spot. Now normally because this is facing front, probably wouldn't really worry about that, but because we come up our driveway this way, we can see that. So I've got leftover pansies, why not? So we're gonna throw in some pansies in here. Now these will not typically last all winter, so this is not really in the theme of what I told you, but go with it. We're gonna have fun with it. We're gonna love it anyway, right?
Mm-hmm. We just keep
we keep adding stuff to this one.
We just keep adding and adding and adding to this, but it's looking really
But
good,
everything
though.
else in here, this is all evergreen. Like this will all last the entire season.
The pansies are the only thing that won't.
No, that's, I say that thinking that we're gonna get a really harsh winter, and that's not always the case. Zone 7, these should keep putting on color most of the season. And then in the spring, they'll really perk back up. But for us, if we have a really, really warm winter, they'll last. Like these will be evergreen as well. So not really completely off-brand, but yeah, they're off-brand. But anyway, we're gonna pop them in.
So we're done.
There you have it.
You can see the little arb and all the prettiness down below.
I love this little container.
Yeah.
It's very different. Like this is not
Yeah, let's back up.
what
so you
I
can
would
really
normally really do.
It's cute though. I really like the stinger arb in there.
Sting.
Oh, sting,
Sting.
sorry.
No ER.
But I do like it.
Yeah, and it's so frilly and kind of fun. I think when these grow up, that's going to be nice with
the pansies.
The red pansies with the green. I think
see
that's
them
going to be nice.
Barely peeking out
Like
right now.
barely, but these are going to bulk up really quickly.
Yeah.
We're still quite warm, so they're gonna enjoy that warmth. We have not watered this in yet. We will of course do that.
Here in a
Rinse
second.
all of our dirt off. I love the red too with the green kind of opposing
Yeah.
each other, and then the pinks picking up off the red are really nice as well. I actually, I'm gonna be honest, I meant to get a carex for this container. I got enough for the other containers that we're doing a little bit later on, but I forgot to get an extra one for this. So I'm glad we had that on hand and that we had those for this container, because that just fills it out.
Mm-hmm.
Like that completely fills the space and makes it what it needed to be. So really, really, really gonna enjoy this one through the winter.
But there you have it. It's done.
I think it's
pretty.
gorgeous.
I like it.
From over here. I'm Vanna today.
Yeah.
Y'all let us know what you think in the comments. If this is something that you would consider doing, we'd love to hear about it. If you've done an evergreen container before, we would also love to hear about that. What was your success with it? Did everything overwinter for you? Did you enjoy it? Did you love it? But I love this. I think this is great. It's a really different thing than we normally do. But what do you think?
I really like it. I just am tickled with it.
Yeah. So looking forward to seeing how this does through the season. I think the Heuchera is going to put on a little bit of size. Our feather falls will probably grow a little bit between now and the end of season as well. And of course our pansies over here are going to do bulk up. But anyway, what do they need to do?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
As always, we appreciate you so much for watching our videos. We love your comments, and we look forward to having some more conversations. So thanks so much for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.